Lil D, what's cracking, man? I gotta discuss the junk food podcast with you. So, just hit. Hey, actually, one second, man. Hey, Jeff, where's that sandwich at? Bring it to me, now. What is this? Are you serious? Is that mozzarella cheese? Okay, if I wanted a fucking pizza, I'd call Domino's, okay? I asked for a sandwich with Colby Jack cheese on it. You know what? You really fucked up this time, Chobot. Take off your clothes. Hey, Lil D, I'm gonna have to call you back. Hey, come here, come here. Lil D, we got some hella discussion to engage in. So I'm gonna... hold on one sec. Lil D, where you at? We got some... Fuck. Just lost concentration. Alright, roll it back, roll it back. Lil D, holy shit. Ouch. Hey, who are you? Get the fuck out of here. Okay. Why is there another one of me? Okay. You're taking my parts. Lil D, what's cracking? We got some important little discussion to discuss. So, I'm gonna need... Hey, one sec. Hey, Chobot. Nope. Next. Next. What is this? Is this mozzarella? Are you fucking serious? I don't want a pizza. I want Colby Jack cheese. Oh my god, you really fucked up this time, Chobot. I think I said Chobot twice. That makes it no bueno. Chobot. Nope, that was wrong. Whoops. Lil D, what's poppin'? We got some discussions about the junk food podcast. So I'm gonna need you to give me back on that. I'm going on way too long with this, so I'm gonna go ahead and cancel. Have this start over. Lil D. Oh, there he is again. Hey! Shut up! Shut the hell up, that's my podcast! No, I won't. Fuck you. Start over. Lil D, what's poppin'? We gotta discuss some junk food podcast. If you're down. You know what? Just give me one sec. Actually. Oh shit! Oh shit! Dude, what the fuck? I'm trying to... Lil D, what's poppin'? I think I talked over the beat, but whatever. We got some junk feed discussions. We gotta discuss... Lil D, what's poppin'? We gotta discuss that, the junk feed. It's coming up. So, you know what, dude? Just give me 1 second, actually. Sorry, just... Let me take this out for a second. Fail! Damn it! Lil D, what's poppin', man? We gotta discuss the junk food coming up. Get you on there, dog. Actually, you know what, man? Just give me 1 sec, bro. I'll be right back. Oh, sorry, dude. Take this out for a sec. Hey, we got a problem with the... What the fuck? Is that your car? Dude. Is your cock out in the studio? Stress relief. You're rocking out with your cock out? Dude. what it is. Lil D, what's poppin', man? We gotta discuss the junk feed coming up. We need to talk. You know what, dude? I don't know why I called you. I was kind of in the middle of something. Just let me wrap this up real quick. Just give me one sec, bro. Take this back out. I'm gonna tell him right now. Hey, we got a problem with the what the fuck? Is that your cock? It's just, it helps me cope with the stress. I'm, you know what, it's okay. When I was your age, I liked a raw guy with my cock out. When the, there's nothing funny about this. Is that a hula hoop on the end of your penis? I do like to do the hula hoop, yeah, around the penis head. Well, one time when I was your age, should I put this back in? Sorry, tell me. I'll just take mine out, hold on. Okay, so, see, this is what a real man looks like. Don't worry about it. Now, if you could just step out so I can finish. Sorry. I'll tell you my story later.